Are these coordinates locked in? We only get one shot at this depth.
Locking in the primary coordinates now. Confirmed.
If you love amazing deep ocean car restoration videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell icon so you never miss the next restoration journey.
Look at the extent of this marine growth on the locking bars. Copy that. Structural integrity looks questionable here on the sidewall. Right here. Mark this position for the forward lifting point. Locked on. Data transmission initiated. Copy that. Confirming coordinates against the salvage plan. The corrosion index on seam 4 is severe. Copy that.
Logging structural integrity at 40%.
Trapped inside this dark container, the salt water slowly reclaimed the interior, leaving behind a tapestry of... The industrial winch strains under the immense weight, slowly pulling the unrestored Tacoma up the hydraulic rails. The TRD Pro, reclaimed from the deep, begins its long journey home. The corrosion is extensive, but...
40 years underwater. This is going to be a challenge. Look at the corrosion on the axles. We need to start with a full desalinization flush immediately. Easy now. Keep it centered. Tension is holding. Coming off the ramps. All right, bring it to a stop right there.
As the moisture barrier comes up, the extent of the saltwater damage becomes clear. We're looking at heavy corrosion and trapped marine sediment.
Hold it steady. I'm releasing the pressure now. Steady. It's coming down evenly. Alignment secure on this side. How's your confirmation? Confirmed. Ready to lift. All right, she's almost home. A little more to the left.
Confirmed. Stopping the hoist now. It's seated.